Hi, Michael Nesbitt here again, just with another very quick tutorial on something that may help you. It may help seasoned internet marketers, and it may also help newbies. That's all we're here for, is just to help you make your internet marketing journey a complete and utter success. Now, this little thing I'm going to talk about now is all just to do with blogs. As you can see here, I'll just read through this so you get the gist of where I'm coming from. It's fairly easy. It's a fairly easy way to get backlinks. You can visit a niche and related blogs and leave a quality comment. Now, I can't stress enough how leaving quality comments does make a massive difference. Always be very respectful, always be really nice, and that will obviously then show the kind of person that the person that runs the blog would want to speak to. You don't want to speak to anyone who's a little bit bolshy or anything along those lines. I hope that's not an English colloquialism there. Bolshy means, you know, someone who's a bit loud-mouthed, I suppose I would say in the States. But you've got to be respectful of the blog owner and don't spam. You have to leave sincere comments that add actual value. Now, this is definitely a fair exchange. And see, I'm adding content for blog owner's site, and they'll be giving you a backlink, so both sides win. So you have to do that. And of course, the other benefit is leaving blog comments that add real value, so other readers may read them and have that you've written down, so they might actually click your link, because you always put your signature and a link to your website on the blogs as well. So not only do you get a backlink, you get PR as well. Now, for PR purposes, this can pick up additional traffic for your site as well, because getting as much traffic to your site is obviously very important. So here's a technique to boost your SERPs in a particular keyword. Find blogs and pages and posts that already have a ranking within a specific term, and then leave a comment on those pages. Now, what you can actually do, which I should have actually put up, there's actually blog search engines. So I think I've got one somewhere. Hold on. Is that it there? Here we go. Oh yeah, see, I did do it. I thought I had, but there you go. Now, this is basically blogsearchengine.org. So that's an address. What I'll do is I'll stick some addresses on the screen in a moment. In fact, I may have already done that. Here we go. Where are we? If I scroll down, there we go. So this is what you need. What you need is this, like a blog search engine. So this will basically find you the blogs in your particular niche, which is really key to you putting up the right comments with the right kind of people in the right place, which is really important. And once you get used to doing this, people will start to get used to speaking to you, and then it will just grow organically from there. And that is the key. So if we do a blog search engine, I've never used this before, so let's have a look. Well, not this one in particular. If I put in music and I click, then hopefully we should get some blogs. There you go. So I've stuck in music, and then loads and loads of different blogs come up relating to music. That's because obviously that's what I'm interested in. Now, if I go back and I put in something else like dogs, for argument's sake, if I put in dogs, and if I put in a certain, should I put in a certain kind of dog? No, I just put in dogs. And then this should bring something up. There you go. So there's lots of different blogs come up, Dogs Trust and various things like that. So you'll be able to put in whatever niche you're in, and then that will really help you. And I've put a little thing on the screen here, so you can have a look at various other kinds of blog tools that you could actually use. So there's do follow blog directory. That's an important one there. That's what you want. You want do follow blogs that are the right ones to follow, that get really well ranked. So that will help you, I'm absolutely sure, because the more people that will see your stuff, the more people will actually click on your signature, click on your website, and the more traffic you will get through to your offers and exactly what you do. So that will help you greatly. There you go. I will be back very shortly with another quick tutorial just on another subject or something very similar to help you make your internet marketing a complete and utter success. Thanks very much again.